In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from your Uber Pro card to your bank account. Step 1. Open the Uber Pro card app. Launch the Uber Pro card app on your device. Step 2. Navigate to the Wallet tab. Tap on the Wallet tab located at the bottom of the screen. Step 3. Select Move Funds. Within the Wallet section, tap on Move Funds. Step 4. Choose Transfer option. You'll be presented with two transfer options. Instant Transfer. Debit card funds are sent to your debit card via MasterCard Send. Most transfers are completed within 30 minutes, but may be delayed by service disruptions or connection issues. A fee applies, the greater of $2.99 or 2% of the transaction amount. Standard Transfer. Bank account funds are transferred to your bank account via ACH, typically taking 3 to 5 business days to complete. This option is free of charge. Step 5. Enter transfer details. For instant transfer, select your debit card and enter the amount you wish to transfer. For standard transfer, select your linked bank account and enter the amount you wish to transfer. Step 6. Confirm transfer. Review the details and swipe up to confirm and initiate the transfer. Note: if you haven't linked your bank account yet, you can do so by following the prompts in the app. You'll need your bank's routing and account numbers. Verification may take a few days via microdeposits. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, please like and subscribe for more tutorials.